Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today's razor review is the Henson AL13 safety razor. This razor is available in mild, which is called the AL13, or medium, which is called the AL13 medium. And this is the medium right here. Both versions are available in 8 different colors. This is the tan color, which I'll be shaving with today. Let's take a look at the razor. It's kind of a futuristic looking razor. You can see from the head there. It's got a very cool design to it. The handle starts out a little bit narrow at the top and then it thickens out. It tapers outward as you get toward the bottom. And up on top it has HS, HS, HS going 3 times around the handle. And then there's a series of lines, single, double, and then little slots or grooved lines, which kind of remind me of a tribal tattoo. You know, some guys get that tribal tattoo around the arm. That's kind of what it reminds me of right here. But that does give you a really nice grip. Check it. Very easy to grip this razor. I think it'll be easy to grip even with wet fingers. But here's a nice look at it. On the bottom, no logo, just smooth. The specs on this razor, it weighs in at 1.3 ounces or 37 grams. And the overall length from top to bottom is 4.1 inches or 104 millimeters. The construction, the material, it's aerospace grade aluminum. So something you haven't really seen that much, or if at all, in a safety razor before. It's a 3-piece razor. Let's disassemble. Assembles and disassembles very tight. The threading here, very precise. The tolerances on this razor, very precise. Almost no wobble whatsoever here. Very tight. Here's the top cap. It's got the pin and the 2 slots that hold the blade in place, and it locks into the safety bar here very precisely. If you buy this razor from Shave Nation, it comes with a 5-pack of Astra Superior Platinum blades, so you can get your shave on right away. Let's insert one of these blades. Remove it from the paper, like so. Just drop it in over the post and the 2 slots, like that. And then reassemble top cap to safety bar. You can see the circle is kind of grooved out a little bit to accept the handle. Let's reinstall the handle. Tighten it down. Let's check that reveal. It tightens down very precisely, no wobble whatsoever, makes good contact. That blade reveal, perfect on both sides of the razor. Check that. Now let's talk about the way this is built. A little bit different from a standard razor. Here's my 34C. You can see that as far as angle, might be a little difficult to find your angle. That 30 degree to 50 degree, whatever it is. But on this razor, check this out. You see the way that turns like that? That's your angle right there. See that? Let's show you this way. You start off like this, and there's your angle right there. You can almost hear it. But that's the angle that you want to shave at. Very intuitive, very easy to find right there. Before we get to the shave, I'll tell you what Henson says about it. The Henson AL13 puts an end to shaving irritation and cuts, while also making your skin feel comfortable and smooth. We created this to give you a whole new shaving experience unlike any other. Your skin will feel amazing after using this razor. The only difference between the Henson AL13 and the Henson AL13 medium is the blade gap and blade exposure. These measurements control the aggressiveness of the shave. For finer hair and shaving areas other than the face, a milder razor is generally desired. Go for the AL13. For coarser hair, the aggression of our medium razor may be more suitable. The Henson is designed to present the blade at the optimum shaving angle, with as little blade exposure as possible. We then sought out to engineer a manufacturing process to meet the tolerances required without compromising from the design. The result is an alarmingly safe shave that eliminates irritation. Made from aerospace grade aluminum, and manufactured at their aerospace facility in Ontario, Canada. Our razor is built with the same AS9100 aerospace standards required to create satellite components, and they back it up with a lifetime warranty. All right, the razor's ready, I'm ready. Let's see if we can mix up a lather. Taylor of Old Bond Street, Lime Zest Shaving Cream. I'll do just a quick face lather today, and I will use the Simpsons Trafalgar T3 shaving brush, synthetic brush. Since it's synthetic, we don't need to soak it much. I'll just run it under the faucet, saturate the bristles, let that sit for a second. I'll warm up my face, we'll get right to the shave. We'll go right into the jar and just lubricate the tips here. Just saturate the tips with the Lime Zest shaving cream, and right to the face we'll lather up. Just a little bit of water. We'll generate lather on the face today. Wonderful scent, light, zesty citrus scent of this Lime Zest shaving cream. Little figure eight, smooth everything out. Let's clear the runway so we can see our sideburns. All right, here we go, maiden voyage. I've never shaved with this razor before, but let's see how it works out. I'll temper it under the hot water just to warm it up. And we'll start right here. Cut the sideburn, we'll find that angle, there it is right there. Work our way down. Very smooth, it removed a couple days worth of beard growth, no problem whatsoever right here. That side's full, we'll flip it over. Very good, rinse that off. Now the other side, find that angle. Very smooth shaving. I feel like I can't nick myself with this. Clean the cleft. Right down the neckline. Handle is long enough where you can put it right in the palm of your hand and spin, so that is comfortable. Rinses out very easily under the stream of water. Now right under the nose, scoop under. Oh, it gets directly under the nose easily. All right, first pass complete. Let's rinse that. Just a slight rinse, right back to the brush, relather. Just a light coating of shaving cream this time, and the Lime Zest feels really cool since most of the beard has already been removed. Clear the runways again. All right, wet fingers and all, easy to grip, no problem. First pass was with the grain north to south. Now we'll go against the grain on the neck. Opposite direction. Very easy to find the angle. Not super aggressive, but efficient and easy to shave with. Across the grain. Across the mustache. Excellent, very good. 2 passes complete. Let's see how it works against the grain. Quick rinse. Clear the runways again. Okay, we'll go against the grain on the final pass for a nice glass-like finishing pass. We'll keep going right up. Very easy to find that angle for skimming the skin. Yeah, the way the reveal is, very difficult to cut yourself. Mild reveal, but smooth shaving. Beautiful, very nice. Now the mustache. Perfect. Very smooth. Check it. Cheeks. Chin, neck, mustache, very smooth. Let's do a final rinse with cold water. Let's take our Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum block and glide that over all the areas you shaved. Get some feedback on your shave. Seal off any little nicks if you got any, but we didn't get any. We got a close, baby smooth shave. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds, then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Let's apply some of our Proraso Aloe and Vitamin E Aftershave Balm. Remove the cap, just a little bit in the fingertips. Nice thick balm right there. Massage that right into the skin. Cooling, calming, Aloe and Vitamin E, good stuff. Excellent finish to the shave. Let's take a final look at the razor. Very close, comfortable shave. A little bit light, but feels very good in the hand. This grooving and marking on the handle and the way it's tapered from smaller to larger makes it very easy to hold on to, and right in the palm, spinning around, nice and easy. And then the head, you can see that both of the blunt edges of the blade are covered, so that's a nice safety feature. And the reveal is mild. And this is actually the medium one, which is the more aggressive shaving of the two. This medium version is great for shaving the face. If you want to shave other areas, the head, the body, nether regions, whatever, then probably go with the mild version. Not the medium version, but the standard version, just the AL13. This is the AL13 medium. And again, comes in 8 different colors. Very nice looking razor, kind of futuristic, and it's backed by a lifetime warranty. You can't beat that. Close tolerances, very precise machining. Excellent piece of kit right here. Good job by Henson. And all the other items, the Lime Zest, no problem lathering up really quickly, a face lather. No problem doing a quick face lather with it. And then the Simpsons Trafalgar brush, excellent as usual, no problem, good synthetic brush. Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum block, finish to the shave, the Proraso Aloe and Vitamin E Aftershave Balm, and the Astra Superior blade, the one that comes with it, just a step below the feather, comfortable, smooth, and it's got that superior platinum coating, which helps it glide easily over the skin. All in all, excellent summer shave completed with the Henson razor. If you want to pick one of these up, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab it right there, or go to shavenation.com and enter AL13 in the search box. You can grab it right there as well. Do me a favor before I head out, please smash that subscribe button down there and then ring the bell up there. That way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.